Hello everybody, my name is Kiwi, and I decided to do a little vlog, I guess, of doing my makeup before I make a video. So I'm not very good at makeup. Okay, anyway, I don't know. This is the moisturizer I use. I got it like years ago, so it's probably bad for me, but it's, and then I just kind of and rub it all over my face. What's the next thing you do? My eyes are pretty. Okay, anyway. Apply primer. I put the cap on in a way that aggravates me. So, oh, I can't really see if this is in my way. Okay. It says, like, find the right primer for your skin type. Which is, shut up, please. I should probably do, but I was kind of in a rush, so. And now it's foundation time. I don't know how to get it out onto the thing without making a mess. So I'll just use a little bit at first. And this one says, dab a few dots to your T-zone, focusing on your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. Yes. Nose. Cheeks. 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 Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. I'm not using my that camera anymore. It's all weird. So, there's that, and now concealer? I'm gonna put it right over here. Lean it back a bit. It goes under your eyes, right? My favorite Minecraft Skyrim song is playing in my ears right now. Now this I'm gonna use to blend again. My face does not match my neck. That's not good. It's way off. But, like I said, it's fine. So now what's next? Applying foundation and concealer is already done. Apply setting powder. I don't have any of that. But I do have this stuff. But it's not setting powder. That's for sure. But I can apply it anyway. I would just need to ground it up some more. Look at the bad and the dirty. Oh, 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 oh. Look at the bad and the dirty. And then you put it in like a 3, starting from up here, right? You go right there, and then you go back, and you go along the chin, and then you do it again.
A few moments later.
Close enough. Okay, and okay. Highlight. That. So highlight and contour. Jesus Christ. I like it better without the eyeliner though. Ooh, and then we can use this old dry thing. It doesn't do anything. I don't think it's doing anything. Because it shouldn't be. But what I really use it for? Slicking my eyebrows back. So yeah, that's all for this video. I really like it. I think it. Now I see why people wear makeup. I mean, this makes me feel a lot better. That's the whole reason I got makeup too, so I could record myself on camera and not feel horrible about myself. So, anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and if you want to see more like this, then like and subscribe so that you let me know that you like this. I want to see more. Anyway, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. I love you. Jam into my music.
Everything changes.